In today's video, we are going to make a lightening and moisturizing body butter. This body butter can be used by all skin type and at all season, especially during Harmattan season. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on this channel, you're so welcome. This is where you get to learn everything about skincare, either for your personal use or for a commercial purpose. Please guys, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, like, share and comment. This means so much to me. Help me to help this channel guys. Thank you so much. Let's go make this lightening and moisturizing body butter.
Alright guys, you're welcome back to my workstation. All the tools and measuring containers have been cleaned and sterilized, and my workspace has been disinfected. So don't forget to always do that whenever you want to formulate your own products too. Okay guys, so let's measure out the ingredients for this lightening and moisturizing body butter. We will be making a 250 gram of this body butter. For face hair, we have shea butter 50 gram, mango butter 125 gram, Cetyl alcohol 10 gram, emulsifying wax 12.5 gram, Beeswax 12.5 gram. Now this is our face B, and our face B contains sunflower oil and Kojic dipalmitate. So for sunflower oil we need 30.7 and Kojic dipalmitate we need 7.5. Now we are going to combine our face A and face B together. Now that we have combined these two faces together, we are going to dissolve them using double boiling method. This is what is called double boiler. Put enough water inside a big pot or a saucepan. Then place your bowl containing ingredients you want to dissolve. And make sure the fire is on low heat till your ingredient is completely dissolved. So while waiting for face A and face B to completely dissolve, let's measure out face C, which is the cool down phase. So for face C, we have lavender carrier oil 5 gram, beta carotene oil 7.5 gram, lavender essential oil 1.2 gram, Tocopherol 2.5 gram, and lastly our fragrance oil 2.5 gram. Now let's check if our face A and B have completely dissolved. So our face A and B have completely dissolved. Let's give it a stir. So before adding the last phase, which is the cool down phase, make sure this phase temperature drop to about 45 to 40 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature has dropped to 42 degrees Celsius, so we can add the last phase, which is the cool down phase. Guys, we are done with this lightening and moisturizing body butter. Let's transfer to our packaging container. We are going to leave this for a few hours to solidify. You can also pop inside the fridge to solidify quickly or put in a water bath. So this is it guys, after 1 hour inside the fridge. Our lightening and moisturizing body butter is ready to use. Guys, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, share, like and put your comment down. See you in my next video. Bye.